imagine a nature or environment that is not clean,
full of waste and unclean,
disturbing and protecting.
is one of the main goals of our school organization.
such as SSG.
And yes, oh.
But how can help a simple way being a student? Watch this.
Here is helpful students. Throw your waste in a snack bag or in a material.
So, in our school, we have the process of dividing garbage and waste. Biodegradable
And non-biodegradable.
properly segregating.
Not only reduce the amount of toxins that enter in the land or atmosphere,
Avoid throwing garbage.
Learn to sell and recycle things to be practical nowadays.
Non-flowers. Vegetables on your backyard or school. This will help not only in lessening air pollution, but it also helps the nature to be wonderful to see.
instead of using non-organic fertilizer, use an organic fertilizer. It helps to save money. It helps the ground to maintain health.
Being a student, or officer in the school, you should join in three family activities.
Everybody's gonna dance to this. I do the whole world party in the Philippines. Now it's Angelique, in San Bueno, this is like a samba, so we need to move it with the boom drum set. Shake it up and dance it's like no more drama. And shut it down, Philippines, so it's like that. So we're just talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107, I don't go see this.
Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.